All right, in this video, we're going to talk about winch etiquette. This is very important for the safety of your hands and, of course, your gear. These lines on especially large catamarans are extremely loaded, so we want to be very careful how we handle these lines. First thing we like to say, our wraps are your friend. The more wraps, the better. They add friction and allow you to handle the line with ease. If we need to ease this line, I'm going to hold the line in my hand, pinkies first, and I'm going to put positive pressure all around and then come back on the line. In that whole operation, we didn't lose any tension on this line. If I need to ease this sheet, I don't need to undo more wraps. I could simply ease it right here. In fact, we can see there's not enough tension, so I can add my hand, just the palm, and I can get that line going very nicely. And again, just my palm, I'm staying away from the working bits of the rope. And we want to avoid getting our fingers in the entrance or exits of this line. Once I'm done, again, I'm holding this line. I can put the line over the horn and through the self-tailing jaw. And I just give it a quick taut, a quick pull, and it cinches that in. In this whole operation, I like to keep my hands at least one hand distance away from the winch at all times. I also hold the line such that my pinkies are first, and if I need more pressure, I can just turn my hand 90 degrees. So it's 90 degrees to this line. And I can really pull and I have good purchase. If something happens and I need to quickly let go, that's quite easy. I can let go. What we want to avoid is never wrapping a line around your hand. This is bad. Never wrap a line around your hand ever. So in conclusion, when we're handling lines on winches, we want to be very mindful of the load. We want to keep our hands at least a hand distance away. And we want to say that, hey, wraps are your friend. More wraps, the better.